Welcome to the BridgeWorks VDM tutorial on database functions. In this video, we will cover a few examples of creating custom database functions. Custom database functions are SQL syntax that your database allows within a SQL select statement. There are many uses for database functions, however, they are most commonly used for mathematical computations, concatenations, and substrings. It is important to note that a database function's syntax is passed directly to the database for evaluation and processing. Any supported function for a database is available and varies based on the provider. For this video, all functions will be done using the Northwinds database. To get started, grab some fields from the Tables and Fields section or open a previously created view to make the modifications. To add a new database function, right-click in the Fields section and select Add Custom Field or Function. Next, we need to enter our database function. For the first function, I'm simply going to return a field with a custom name. I want to return the order date from the orders table, so I'm going to enter orders.orderDate. The next database function that I'm going to create will return the current date. To do this, I'm going to add another database function and use the current date function. Now I'm going to create a database function that gets the difference in days from the order date and today. This function combines the first two functions that were created as well as a dateDiff function. If we break the function down, we are saying get the dateDiff in days from the order date and the current date. Last, I'm going to create a database function that will pass a parameter value into it. To do this, simply add the name of a parameter inside double question marks. The double question marks are how VDM identifies a parameter. Now that I have my database functions created, I'm going to run the view. Since the database functions are the last on the list, they will be all the way to the right on the detail grid. As we can see here, we have the 4 columns, one for each of the database functions. First is the order date, second is the current date, third is the dateDiff, and fourth is the parameter value. For more information on database functions or other sections of VDM, check out our website's documentation in the links below.